Soul Premise sneaker travel bags are 60 to 70% off right now. Make sure you guys take advantage of this sale. It will not last long at all. Make sure you guys check out Soul Premise for the best sneaker bags on earth. This bag right here holds up to 4 pairs of sneakers. These dividers come out, they move around. You can put your clothes, laptop, chargers, every single thing you need with you when you're traveling in this bag. There's also some side compartments as well, both sides. Soul Premise also makes backpacks, luggage bags, all sorts of bags that are made and designed to hold your sneakers, your clothes, laptop, chargers, everything you need in one bag when you're traveling. Make sure you guys check out Soul Premise and take advantage of this 60 to 70% off sale right now. Link is down below in the description. That's all you need. Click that link and you're going to receive 60 to 70% off Soul Premise sneaker bags, the best sneaker bags on earth. Thank you, Soul Premise, for sponsoring today's video. It's giveaway time. I'm giving these away. If you guys want a chance to win this sneaker right here, all you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right now. Join the More family. Comment down below. Let me know your size. And then DM me proof on Instagram. DannyMoore2369. Take a picture. Take a screenshot. Send me proof that you guys subscribed. Good luck on this free giveaway. This giveaway ends in just about a week. The beginning of September. Come back to the channel to find out if you win a free pair. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and join the More family. Good luck on this free sneaker giveaway. I had to double up on these sneakers way before they skyrocket because time is going to make this sneaker go up in price. This hype, this demand has not really slowed down, and it's been almost a year on this release. Everybody loves it. It is an OG colorway. It's a must-have at the end of the day. I am so happy to double up on this sneaker. I'm going to show you guys my worn pair. I needed a new pair. It is time. I'm not one that really doubles up often at all, but on these, I have no choice. I got these from GOAT. For some reason, they put tape on the box. I'm not sure what that's about, but right here, we have a size 11. They put another piece of tape on this label. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but size 11, these are an absolute must. A must double up for me. I'm not a person that really doubles up often, but when I do, it's because I need to. It's good reasoning behind it. I had to double up on the Reimagined Jordan 3, in my opinion, still sneaker of the year this year. I have to, of course, double up on sneaker of the year last year. These are a must. I've been wearing my pair down to the ground. I've been wearing this sneaker heavily. I need a new pair. It's only right for me to double up. Prices have actually dropped a little bit, nothing crazy, but they did drop like $20, $30, so I had to. I absolutely have no choice. I have to double up on this sneaker. Right here we have the GOAT card as well as GOAT sticker. And right here we have the paper. The tissue paper is fire. I absolutely love this release. I love this packaging. I love what they did, the storytelling. I needed to double up. This is an OG. It's an OG Air Jordan 1. We have the Chicago Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. I have to double up. My pair is absolutely getting beat up, so it's only right that I double up on this OG Air Jordan 1. I have no choice because prices are going to skyrocket. In the future, as time goes on, a few years from now, these are going to be very, very, very expensive. And I just don't want to pay that expensive price later on when I can do it right now. It's a must for me. I have to double up on the Lost and Founds. This right here is my daily at this point. I wear them all the time. I wear them at least once, twice a week now. It was every day at one point for months on end. The Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. I have no choice. I need a double up. I need a dead stock pair. I have to sit on these. I'm not a person that usually does it. I don't like doing it. Why? Because there's so many other shoes I want. Right? I don't believe really in buying 2 of the same shoe when I don't have everything else that I really want in my collection. Well, I have to on this one. I have no choice because I do want to continue to wear these and beat them up. But as time goes on, I know those prices are going to only go up years on end, and I just do not want to be paying $600, $700, $800 later on when I could just pay the $4 and change right now. Hey, It is what it is. I have to double up on these. If you are thinking about doubling up on these or the Reimagined 3s, in my personal opinion, I would say do it. It's two sneakers that I have double up on now, and I just recommend doing it because those prices one day are going to be scary, they're going to be expensive, and you do not want to be paying those scary, crazy resale prices later on when you got the funds to do it now. So if you have the funds, I say do it. If you've been thinking about doing it, do it. If you don't even have your first pair yet, I highly recommend, honestly, just getting them at this point. If it's a shoe that you're still sought after for you, you still want, you definitely need in your collection, you're going to wear them, you know you're going to enjoy them, I say do it. The Lost and Found is a great pair of Air Jordan 1s. One of the best Jordan 1s to release in years, if you ask me. It's a great pair. I'm very excited now to have a double up. It's double up worthy. You know, a lot of shoes for me aren't double up worthy, but I gotta say the Lost and Founds and the Reimagined 3s easily are double up worthy in my opinion. If you ever need money in the future and there's still DS, you got some money sitting there in the future. If you're looking for trade bait in the future, say you only wind up wearing your one pair, well, you have a double up, well, later on you can use it for trade bait. So it's not a bad thing, and I do think these prices are only going to skyrocket as time goes on. They're going to be a sought-after sneaker for a very long time. I don't see it slowing down. I feel like everybody knows what these are at this point, wants them. It's just a sought-after Air Jordan 1, especially for sneakerheads, but even outside of sneakerheads, this shoe is really big in just the culture in general. So I highly recommend doing it if you'd like to. If it's something you've been thinking about doing, like I have, well, here I am doing it myself. I think it's definitely a great sneaker, an OG Jordan at that, to double up on here in 2023. I can't say this about a lot of shoes, but I can for the Reimagined 3s and the Lost and Found Jordan 1s. In my personal opinion, yeah, double up worthy before those prices become scary in the future. So, hey, I did it. If you're thinking about doing it, why not if you got the funds? That's the way I think of it. Let me know if you guys would double up on the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1. Shout out to Godat. I love the Chicagos. I love that it's an OG Jordan 1, and they did them correct. They did a great job on this colorway, color blocking, the theme. Just a great shoe. Just a great shoe. Materials, it's just a great shoe. Great storytelling with the paper, the receipt, everything, the box. It's just a great overall Air Jordan 1. Let me know if you guys love the Lost and Founds just as much as I do. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Lost and Founds are fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.